Welcome to Better English.
Speak English with confidence.
Hello. Welcome to Better English. My name is David. I am very happy you are here today. In this episode, we will practice something very important. We will practice shadowing. Shadowing for beginners. This episode is called Shadowing for Beginners, the fastest way to improve English speaking. If you are new to English, this episode is for you. If you feel shy when you speak, this episode is for you. If you want to speak more clearly and more confidently, you are in the right place. Please relax. Take a deep breath. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to try. In Better English, we learn slowly, we learn calmly, and we learn with confidence. Today, I will guide you step by step. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. You can listen, you can repeat, you can pause if you need. This is your time. There is no rush. First, I want to explain what shadowing is. Then I will show you how to do it. After that, we will practice together. You will not be alone. I will speak with you, like a friend. Shadowing is very powerful, but it is also very simple. You do not need books. You do not need grammar rules. You only need your ears and your voice. If something feels hard, that's okay. Hard means you are learning. You can stop this audio. You can go back. You can repeat one part many times. That is good learning. Please remember, your accent is okay. Your speed is okay. Your English is enough to start. Today is not about being fast. It's about being clear. It's about feeling comfortable when you speak. So now, get ready. Sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and listen carefully. In the next part, I will explain shadowing in a very simple way. You will understand exactly what to do. Let's begin. Welcome back. Now, let us talk about shadowing. Shadowing is a way to practice speaking. It is very simple. You listen and you speak at the same time. You hear my voice and you try to speak with me. You do not wait. You do not stop. You follow my voice. Think of a shadow. When you walk, your shadow moves with you. It does not come later. It moves together. That is why we call it shadowing. Your voice is the shadow. My voice is the guide. This is different from repeating. In repeating, you listen first, then you speak. In shadowing, you listen and speak together at the same time. At first, this may feel strange. This is normal. Your brain is learning something new. You do not need to understand every word. That is very important. Please remember this. You listen to the sound. You listen to the rhythm. You listen to the music of English. Your mouth learns. Your tongue learns. Your ears and your voice work together. This helps your pronunciation. It helps your speed, and it helps your confidence. You do not need grammar rules now. You do not need to think too much. Just listen and speak. Many learners are afraid to speak. They think too much. Shadowing helps stop this fear. When you shadow, you do not have time to be afraid. You only follow the voice. This is why shadowing is very powerful, and this is why it is good for beginners. Please do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is to speak, to move your mouth, to feel English. If you miss a word, keep going. Do not stop. This is very important. Do not stop. Follow the voice. In the next part, I will show you how to shadow step by step, very slowly, very clearly. You are doing great. Take a small breath and get ready. Welcome back. Now, I will show you how to shadow step by step. Please remember, there is no rush. We go slowly. We go together. Let us start with step 1. Step 1. Just listen. Do not speak yet. Listen to my voice. Listen to the sounds. Listen to the rhythm. You do not need to understand everything. You only listen. This is enough. Think of it like music. You listen first. You feel it. Good. Now let us go to step 2. Step 2. Shadow slowly. This means you listen and you speak with me at the same time. Your voice can be quiet. That is okay. You can whisper if you want. Do not try to be fast. Try to be close to the sound. Close is good. If you are late, that is okay. If you miss a word, keep going. Please do not stop the audio. Stay with me. Follow the voice. You are training your mouth. You are training your ears. This takes time. Now let us go to step 3. Step 3. Shadow with feeling. Listen to how I speak. Listen to my stress. Listen to my pauses. Try to copy the rhythm. Try to copy the flow, not the words only. English has music. It goes up, it goes down. You do not need to think, just follow, like a dance. If this feels hard, please smile. This means it is working. Many people stop too early. Please do not stop. Even 1 minute is good practice. You can do this every day. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Little practice every day. This is the secret. In the next part, we will practice together. I will guide you very slowly. Get ready to speak. Take a breath. You are doing very well. Welcome back. Now we will practice together. Please listen first. Do not speak yet. Just listen. I will say short sentences. They are about daily life. Very simple. After you listen, I will tell you when to speak with me. If you need more time, pause the audio. Let us begin. Listen. I wake up early in the morning. Now speak with me. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Listen. I drink a cup of coffee. Now speak with me. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. Listen. I feel calm and ready for the day. Now speak with me. I feel calm and ready for the day. I feel calm and ready for the day. You are doing well. Please keep going. Listen. I go to work or school. Now speak with me. I go to work or school. I go to work or school. Listen. I talk to people during the day. Now speak with me. I talk to people during the day. I talk to people during the day. Listen. Sometimes I feel tired. Now speak with me. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel tired. If you miss a word, that is okay. Please continue. Listen. I take a short break. Now speak with me. I take a short break. I take a short break. Listen. I breathe slowly and relax. Now speak with me. I breathe slowly and relax. I breathe slowly and relax. Very good. Now we will do one small group together. Listen. I wake up early. I drink coffee. I start my day. Now speak with me. I wake up early. I drink coffee. I start my day. Please smile. You just did real shadowing practice. In the next part, I will help you build confidence, and I will motivate you to keep going. Take a breath. You are doing great. Welcome back. You are doing very well. Please remember that. Many learners feel nervous when they speak English. This is very normal. You are not alone. Speaking a new language is not easy. Your mouth is learning new sounds. Your brain is learning new patterns. This takes time, and that is okay. Slow progress is still progress. Please do not compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people speak fast. Some people speak slow. Both are okay. Your accent does not need to be perfect. Your English does not need to sound like mine. The most important thing is this. You speak, you try. Every time you shadow, you are training your confidence. You are telling your brain, I can speak English. This feeling is very powerful. It stays with you. Maybe today you feel shy, but tomorrow you feel a little better. And next week, you feel more comfortable. This is how confidence grows, little by little. Please be kind to yourself. Learning is not a race. You do not need long study time. 5 minutes of shadowing is good. 10 minutes is great, but only if you feel relaxed. When you feel tired, stop. Rest is part of learning. Come back tomorrow. Your English will still be here. Please remember this. You are learning every time you try. You are building a new habit, a good habit. In the final part, we will slow down and we will end calmly. You are almost done. Stay with me. Welcome back. We are now at the end of today's practice. Please take a slow breath, in and out. Today, you learned what shadowing is. You learned how to do it step by step. You listened, you spoke, and you practiced with me. This is real English practice. You should feel proud. After this episode, you can rest, or you can listen again. If you listen again, try to shadow a little more. Even one sentence is good. Tomorrow, come back to this playlist. Practice again. Little practice every day. This is how English becomes natural. You do not need to hurry. Your English will grow with time. Please remember, mistakes are part of learning. Your voice matters. Your effort matters. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for practicing. This is David from Better English. I am proud of you. Keep going. I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Your English journey does not end here. Watch more videos and keep practicing.